Realme is gearing up to bring its next smartphone series, the Realme 5. The upcoming series is likely the successor of Realme 3 and could be announced as an affordable offering. Realme is all set to showcase the 64-megapixel camera phone in India tomorrow, and ahead of the launch, CEO Madhav Seth has hinted at what the phone will be called. Seth has changed his name on Twitter to Madhav 5 Quad, hinting that the phone will be called Realme 5 when it launches tomorrow. The number 4 is considered unlucky in the Chinese culture, and Realme is following that trend and skipping one number after the Realme 3 and Realme 3 Pro. The upcoming Realme flagship is confirmed to have a quad camera setup with a 64-megapixel primary camera and is likely to be the world's first smartphone to offer that. In fact, Realme has scheduled an event for August 8 in Delhi to talk more about the camera package and how it was put together. The teased Realme smartphone will be equipped with a Samsung ISOCELL Bright GW1 sensor. This is a 1 by 1.72 inch sensor with a pixel size of 0.8 micron. With Samsung's tetracell technology, which implies 4-in-1 pixel binning, the sensor captures output picture at 16 megapixel with a pixel size of 1.6 micron. Compared to Samsung's GM1 or the Sony IMX586, both of which are half-inch 48-megapixel sensor, this 64-megapixel sensor is larger and should therefore capture more light. On top of that, pixel binning should increase the amount of exposure further. Realme is also boasting about its AI for scene recognition and clicking lifelike images. Meanwhile, the configuration of other sensors in the setup have not been revealed yet. Realme has also long been talking about a higher-end phone with a flagship-grade chipset, and the Realme 5 might just be the one to bring the Snapdragon 855 or 855 Plus to their lineup. Historically, all Realme phones have been in the sub-20k segment, but the Realme 5 is likely to break that trend. So guys, are you excited for the Realme 5 series? Do let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And for more future videos like this, do consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any future videos from Extreme Droid. So this is Samir signing off, and I'll see you guys in my next one.